Welcome to my channel Tech Tic Tac Toe. Today we will learn about polymorphism in Python. We will see how to make use of polymorphism in Python programming language. Polymorphism means many forms. In programming, it means to use the same name for different methods or functions or operators in different classes or objects. This may work differently on the basis of the definition in that class or object. A built-in example of polymorphism is function len. The same len function can be called to know the string's length, the length of the list or tuple or dictionary. So this is polymorphism. Polymorphism is often used in class methods where we can have multiple classes with the same method name. For example, this is our class city. So here we have mentioned init with the self name population. Then we have a method init, that is first function. Self, the print message will be the city is. Then another class state with the same init method and first function with the same function name, and the print message is the state is. And in the country class, the message is the country is. So here, after defining the classes, we create the object C1 equal to city Kolkata with the population, S1 equal to state West Bengal with the population, and country equal to country India with the population. Now using the for loop, we are continuing in each object. So we will call the function first function. We will call the function first function. So now let's see what happens. So the same function with the same name, all of the message is printed. For the first C1, the message is the city is Kolkata. For second class, that is state class, the message is the state is West Bengal. And for the country class, the message is the country is India. So here we can see that this method first function is used in each of the classes, and we can use the same name in many classes. So this is called polymorphism. Polymorphism can be done also on inheritance. First we will create a parent class with properties and methods. Then in the child classes we will only modify the methods or properties in the way we want them. For example, here we create the parent class location with the init method, name equal to name, population equal to population, and then the function first function, the location is this. So now we will create a child method city with the parent method location. So this is a child method, and here we modify the function here. So it will override this function. So in this case, the print message will be the city is then the name. In state class we will only modify the function definition, that is the message will be the state is, otherwise the properties are same. Here also properties are same, as we do not mention the init function here. Now country, in case of country we do not mention the init function, and also we modify the first function, and then we are printing the country is self.name. Now we are creating objects of these classes, child classes. Then we, using the for loop, we print all the properties of these classes and then their function, that is which is used which is by using polymorphism, that is the same name is using in each of the functions with inheritance. Let's try what's its output. So here for first case it will print the name Kolkata, population this, and then for first function the message will be the city is Kolkata. And for the second case, x equal to West Bengal, name equal to West Bengal, population equal to this, and then the message will be the state is West Bengal. In this case the name is India, population is this, and the message is country is India. So here we do not define the init method in any of the classes, so it inherits the properties from the parent class. Child classes also inherit the method from parent class also. Every time we modify the method in each of the classes, so it overrides the definition of the method in parent class with the new child classes methods and give output as described in the child class. Because of polymorphism, we can execute the same method for all the child classes. Today is up to this. I think you all understand what is polymorphism and how to write a code using polymorphism. Meet you in the next video. Till then, practice more Python programming with polymorphism. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. If you find this useful, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.